So in this video we learn how to add this, how to change this top bar, how to change like this. So if you see, if you go to your customize option, then you'll click this header option and top bar, and here no option to change like this info @ themepress.com or the mobile number like this, no change option. So we need to find out this. So I'm just trying to find out this. So how you can find out this? So here, as you can see, this appearance, and click on this widgets button, like widgets, appearance, then widgets. Here, as you can see, slide bar under this top bar. Here you can see this top bar is present, but how we can change this? So here the another option, card and theme layout builder. So you need to click on this open layout builder. Just click on there. And when you click on there, then you'll see here the changes option, like here this option theme login and another options, and here this number and email option. Just click, if you want to interested to edit this, just click on this edit text button, then you will see the pop-up, and here the text, and here the number. So I want to change this in my number, so I just add my number.
Okay, I just input my number, and again I just go to here and I need to change again this. I just change this number.
Click on this apply button and click on this save change, and click on this update button. It takes some seconds. Alright, I think it's done. So click on this cross button and go to your website and reload this. Wow, that's great. You can see here it's automatically changes, and I already customized the website. Just I want to trying to customize this website. So if you want to interested to know this, like how to create an LMS website, learning management system website, so comment below. I will next tutorial I will share with you how to create an LMS website using LearnPress, or how to customize this LearnPress theme, like how to.